In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and organize social media captions in Buffer with AI. First, open Buffer. Once you're in, head to the Create area. This is where new content begins, and it's the best place to draft ideas before you publish. From here, choose Ideas. Think of ideas as your scratch pad inside Buffer, a focused space to capture and refine content without the pressure of posting right away. Next, create a fresh space to work by selecting plus new idea. You'll see a blank canvas where you can start building your content. To speed things up and unlock inspiration, open the AI Assistant. This tool will help you brainstorm and produce multiple options in seconds. Enter a detailed prompt that tells the AI what you want. Be specific about the platform, the tone, the audience, any hashtags or calls to action you prefer, and how many captions you need. For example, you could write, generate 30 Instagram captions about sleeping tips and productivity. The more context you give, such as desired length, voice, or themes, the more on target your captions will be. Click Generate and let the AI do the heavy lifting. In a moment, you'll get a batch of captions tailored to your prompt. Now review the AI-generated captions with a critical eye. Check for clarity, brand voice, and relevance. Make sure the advice, facts, and any claims match your standards and align with your audience's needs. From here, organize your results. You can copy or separate the captions into multiple ideas or posts, grouping them by theme, series, or campaign. This helps you stay consistent and makes future scheduling effortless. If a caption is close but not quite perfect, use the built-in editing tools. Rephrase will keep the meaning but adjust the wording or tone. Expand will add context or detail, useful if a caption feels too brief. Shorten will tighten the copy so it fits platform limits or reads punchier. Tweak as needed until each caption feels publish ready. When you're satisfied, click Save Idea. Saving preserves your work and makes it easy to revisit, refine, or assign later. Finally, treat these ideas as your ready-to-go library. You can turn the ideas into scheduled posts later, pacing them across days or weeks to keep your content pipeline full without last-minute stress. And that's it. With Buffer's Ideas and AI Assistant, you can go from blank page to organized, on-brand captions quickly and confidently.